Hi, it's Hannah and Lou with WTI. I like Lou, but I don't like stepping in his poop.
And that's why I love this Mr. Peanuts Pooper Scooper. This thing is super heavy duty, and having a nice pooper scooper was very essential for us because I did not want poop all over our yard. I wanted it to be a simple chore to tackle. I really like that I can add a bag to the scooper before I pick it up, so then the scooper also stays clean and I don't have a poop smell going on around that. The claw of this thing has two springs and it is very strong. And the little teeth are super, they have small ones and big ones, so it's going to grab everything. And then when I am done, I just have a little baggie to throw away. It's also very easy to store or carry around because you can fold it in half, and when you need it, you can just extend it. Notice this, I don't even have to bend over. I can stand up, I'm 5'5", and it's very easy to do this task while standing. So if you need a good pooper scooper for your little poo, this is it.
And that's our point of view.